If you've ever struggled to make YouTube thumbnails, you're not alone. Eye-catching thumbnails are actually one of the hardest things to make, and one of the most important things too. I recently tested a new AI tool that's supposed to fix this, and honestly, I was surprised by how simple it was to use. And it doesn't work the way most thumbnail tools do, and that's why I like it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it can do, and whether it's actually worth using. Let's get started. I want to share this AI tool with you in case you have issues making good thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Thumbnails are hard, and making an amazing thumbnail can be the difference between having a video get a lot of views or not. Just so you know, I am using this app myself. This is Clickly. It makes thumbnails for videos. You can make vertical ones for shorts, or you can make horizontal ones for long-form YouTube videos. I've been testing Clickly for a while now, and let me tell you, it's simple, fast, and produces quality results every time. And today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it step by step, so you can make your thumbnails look amazing without spending hours in Photoshop or other design tools. Once you open Clickly, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and easy to navigate it is. Right away, you have a few different ways to make thumbnails, such as using magic thumbnails or by using any of the included thumbnail templates, including over 2,000 pre-made thumbnails plus additional pro templates if you upgrade. This app is designed to make thumbnail creation super fast, so even if you've never made thumbnails before, you'll get professional results quickly. Let's dive into the Magic Thumbnails feature first. This is probably my favorite feature. Here's how it works. You enter your YouTube URL or paste in a transcript for your video. You choose how many thumbnails you want to make, up to 4. You pick your aspect ratio, 16:9 for regular YouTube videos or 9:16 for shorts. Then decide if you want to use a preset template, a reference image, or write a custom prompt. Once you click Create, Clickly will generate your thumbnails in about 45 seconds. Seriously, it's a lot faster than me describing the process right now. It practically does all the work for you. Next up is the face cloning feature, which is super cool if you want to personalize your thumbnails. You can upload your own face, create new clones and save them for future thumbnails, adjust the emotions of the faces, remove backgrounds as needed, and use these clones inside your magic thumbnails or templates. It's so simple. Plus, it gives your thumbnails a more unique and personal touch. Imagine your avatar or your face appearing in different thumbnails instantly. Best of all, no tedious editing required. This was the feature that really caught my attention. Clickly has a massive library of pre-made templates. Right now, there are 2,000 ready-to-use thumbnails included in the starting plan, and they're all based on high-performing YouTube videos. Here's the best part. Once you choose a template, you can open it directly in Canva to customize it even further. You can move elements around, change text, replace images, add logos, you name it. It practically does all the work for you. Even pro templates are included if you want to upgrade, giving you even more options. This makes Clickly plus Canva the perfect combo for fast thumbnails plus Canva's flexible editing. So let's recap and summarize the workflow in Clickly. Magic thumbnails allow you to generate thumbnails from a URL, a transcript, or a reference image. The face cloning feature lets you add a personal or custom face to your thumbnails. Templates, pick from thousands of pre-made designs and edit them in Canva. Customize and export. Once everything looks perfect, export your thumbnail and upload it to YouTube. And the best part? Even free Canva users can start creating thumbnails immediately. Pro upgrades in Clickly just give you more templates and options. I've already made lots of thumbnails using Clickly for this YouTube channel, and it's literally saved me hours of work. The process is super fast, the results look amazing, plus I love that you can customize your thumbnails in seconds instead of working on them for hours. If you want to try Clickly for yourself and make your YouTube thumbnails even better, I've put a link in the description below. The launch price right now is very affordable, so you might want to get it before the price goes up. Grab it for your channels now and start creating new thumbnails that actually get noticed on YouTube. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tool and Canva tips. You won't want to miss what's coming next.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.